Pregnant or not pregnant? Kanang atong gitanaw ba?
Well, I am pregnant. So who's the daddy?
So who's the baby daddy?
You don't have to have a daddy.
Just, it happened.
Ano? Vitro, it is.
In the, I know, right? Oh, I know who's the daddy. The Vitro. What?
Pedro.
Pedro? Vetro. I thought we were having wine. Ah, to.
Why nakatulog?
Ako-
Coffee pod.
I fell asleep good. For 5
Lord
minutes.
have mercy. I accept alcoholic.
Yeah, we are full blown.
And I am proud. So proud to be beautiful. Or too much.
Sorry.
Sorry, that was the alcohol talking. Yeah.
So what do you have there to munch?
Mocho. What the? Kaon ka?
Nagsige, tamsak. Kinsa man ka.
Hindi na lang natin butang katingay mo.
Lagi. Ayaw na ba?
Ganon siya.
Agay, ginaw ko.
Ano? Very,
Very-
ano ba? Patya na, kana ako ikuan.
Na siya i-reveal. So ako na ning fat yun, ha?
Patya na ba?